Hey, John, tell me what we are going to do today.
Okay, we're going to assemble the rods onto the crankshaft.
Yes,
So we have our cleaned up crankshaft on the bench here.
yes,
This is going to be the number 3 cylinder, so I'll
yes,
usually start with it like this.
yes,
But we want to be able to put a little bit of oil in here, so we're going to flip it around this way.
yes.
Going to fill this up with some ordinary motor oil. Some people will use assembly lube. I don't like to use assembly lube because if there's something wrong,
Yes.
you won't be able to feel it.
Okay.
So I follow Gene Berg on this. He says use motor only oil and motor oil only.
Yes.
So that's how I like to do it. You can feel what's going on.
Okay.
So we filled this up. We're going to put oil all over it here, like this. I'm going to flip it around the way it goes towards number 3 cylinder.
中佑，你看得到吗？哦
Make sure we got oil on all the surfaces.
Yes.
And we are going to put oil on the connecting rod. Like this. Put a little on here. Get it all ready to go. Put some around this. This is a racing rod, so it's got this little sleeve.
Yep.
Make sure you have some oil on that. Oil on this. Oil the sides. I'm going to take a little bit of this special bolt lubricant here.
So this is only for ARP.
Yes. Or any bolt that's guided like this with a little collar that guides it in. Put some lube on here. And then we are going to hold it up here.
So you start
With
from
the
number.
numbers up
Yes.
and these little tangs downward. Numbers match. Like this.
Okay.
And we're going to put it together like this. We're going to hold it like this.
Yes.
Start our bolt.
So you start from number 3 cylinder, right?
That's the way I do it. It really doesn't matter. But if you start on number 1, your engine might blow up.
Okay. So I feel like put this on the table is a good way. It's so stable.
Yeah, some people have a crankshaft stand and they have it up here.
Yes.
I find on the table it's good for me. As long as your table is nice and clean. Leo, get me just a ordinary ratchet out of the drawer. Regular ratchet. There you go, that's fine. And we're just going to tighten these a little bit until it pulls this gap together. And just pull the gap together a little bit like that. Don't go too crazy with it. Same thing over here. We're not really going to put any torque on it yet. We're just checking to make sure. Put maybe 10 foot-pounds on here. And make sure everything feels pretty normal. You want to make sure you have free fall. Oh, this is a good one. Very nice.
So you need free fall.
Nice and smooth.
Yes.
Not too much side play. Looks like we have about 10 thousandths side play. That's good. Right where you want to be. So we'll give it a little bit more torque.
So what is this step?
These are 3/8 bolts from
Yes.
Scat.
Yes.
We're eventually going to torque these to 50 foot-pounds.
Yes. But we just give a little bit torque and see if it's free fall, right?
That's right.
Yes.
We maybe have 20 foot-pounds on here right now, so that's good enough for now. We do the final torque later,
Yes.
and we're going to check for the rod bolt stretch later.
Okay. Thank you, John. Thank you.